Hey there, everybody. What's going on? Sean here with Zero to Income. And here's what we're going to do today. We are going to go and add a recently bought feature to System.io. Now, what does that look like? Let's go ahead and pop on over to ProveSource. This is the application that I'm going to use that will connect to our System.io website that'll allow us to display this recently bought feature. And if you're looking at this right here in the lower left hand corner, it's this little pop-up here that will show, hey, so and so just bought, just signed up, or so and so just scheduled a service in our case. So here's what you want to do. You want to go into provesource.com, and it's PROVESRC.com. And then you want to log in and sign up. And it is completely free. They have a free plan that allows you to have 1,000 unique visitors a month, which is probably the best you're going to find. I did a little bit of research. I found some with 100 unique visitors a month. I found another one for 500 unique visitors a month. So based on just the ability to have more visitors per month, I'm going to go with ProveSource. So go on over, sign up. Once you sign up, you're going to want to log in. Okay. Once you're logged in, you're going to go up here to install code, or you'll have some kind of a page where it'll say install code. But up here in the top right hand corner, we have install code. So we're going to click on that. Now, since we're using system.io, scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and right here is the option for system.io. Click on that. Then right up here, just click on copy code. We've got the code copied. Now, what you want to do is you want to go jump over to your system.io dashboard. And in your dashboard, upper right hand corner, you want to click on your profile image, and you want to click on settings. Now, once in your settings, you want to go all the way over here to your sales funnels, and you want to click on sales funnels. In here is where you're going to paste that tracking code. All right. There it is. And we're going to click on save. So now the next step is to pop back over to ProveSource and go to our notifications. And once you click into notifications, you're going to click on new notification. Here is the recommended one, and I would probably just go with that. Let's just go with the stream notification. And then we have different types of events to track. In this case, what I'm going to do is a form submission. We'll click on form submission. And then what we want to do is put in which pages we want this notification to be grabbed from. All right, so where's the form located, right? We need to go and figure out what page that's on. In our case, we're going to go back into system. We're going to go click on our funnels. We're going to go to our battleground sprinklers and landscaping funnel template that we've been working on. And we'll go over here and actually just going to copy the link, because this is where the form's at. And here I'll do a view funnel steps so you guys can take a peek at that. Anybody that enters a form here, and here it's actually popping up already, but here what we've got is a form, and anytime anybody fills in this form, it's going to have this little pop-up show up here. So what we want to do is do a simple, and then right here, page URL. There's the page URL. We've added that URL. Now, if we want to add multiple URLs, we could add more. We're going to click on next. Now, the next thing that it wants to know is where does it want us to display it? So maybe we want other pages that we want this pop-up to show up. I'm fine having it just show up on the exact same page, which is the home page, if you will. So we'll go ahead and click on that again. And if we wanted to exclude it from pages, we could. We're not going to worry about excluding it from any pages. Then we'll just do next. And then here we've got some other odds and ends we can configure for our pop-ups. I'm just going to leave all of this default, but I am going to put in a message text. So because this is going for my battleground sprinklers and landscaping funnel that I've created, I'm going to put here scheduled a service with battleground sprinklers and landscaping. Okay. Now, the next thing I also want to do here, I'm not going to worry about an image, but here, if they can't figure out a name, they'll just pop in someone. But you can tweak this if you want to. And so Don't know if it's going to matter for search engine optimization or not, but just in case, I'm going to pop in here a battleground Washington, Washington resident, and then a Clark County, Washington resident. And I think that's good. Now let's just make sure here that we got that in the proper format. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back and yeah, there's no spaces. It doesn't look like there's any spaces there. Actually, it does. We're going to pop that in and we'll do comma and that. And then we're going to do next. Next thing, we can actually change the title color. So I want to do that. I want to match, go up here and match my colors. I'm going to go and get my color picker, and there it's copied to my clipboard. Going to go back here, click on this and type that in. So we've got that. Behavior, time rules, that's fine. Just going to leave everything kind of default here and do next. And then here, yeah, we'll do homepage visitors. You can put this whatever you want here, homepage visitors, or signed, scheduled a service. You can do something like that, okay? And then we're going to click on launch, okay? So now we've got everything kind of set up. Here, they're just letting us know this notification was not shown last 24 hours. That's fine. So now, if we do everything correctly, when we get somebody signing up, we'll have a new pop-up here. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this out. And we'll pop in any kind of an email here. And then we'll go ahead and put here that. And then that's just going to my thank you page, which is fine. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to go back and pull up this, look at that. It already pulled up right there. It's working already. So, and it pulled up my name, it pulled up my location, and here it scheduled a service with battleground sprinklers and landscaping a few seconds ago. So that's how you would go and set up a recently bought feature on System.io. Thanks for watching.